How to open an account with Trading 212. Step 1. Go to trading212.com or download the Trading 212 app from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Click Open Account or tap Sign Up. Enter your email address, create a password, then tap Continue. Step 3. Choose the account type, like Invest for long-term stocks and ETFs, CFD for short-term and leverage trading, ISA if you are in UK and want tax-free investing. Step 4. Fill out your personal information like full name, date of birth, nationality and address, tax ID and residency. Step 5. Answer some quick trading experience questions. This is required to make sure you understand the risk. Step 6. Upload a valid ID like passport or driver's license and a proof of address if requested. Step 7. Submit your application and wait for email verification. Most accounts get approved within a few hours. And that's it.